Hey all, it's Harmon from Misfit Adventure, and today we're going to do a tutorial on how to add a commentator or extra module in. So, we picked on this one, Capcom versus SNK 2 commentator. We went ahead and downloaded it already. We're going to provide the link for where we get everything in the description. Okay, so to start, we are, after we've downloaded it, we're going to go into Data. Then we're going to make a new folder. So was it commentator CVS 2? Okay. Boom. All right, now we're going to want to go ahead and just extract all. Now, in my case, I went ahead and I've already done this, so I'm just showing you the steps, which is why we always save an old one. Data, there. I'm going to select that folder, and we're just going to extract it all. All right, we see everything is safely in here. All right, so that's all we have to do in the Data tab. Next, we need to go in to the Save, and we want to do the config. All right, so we are going to be looking for it. So what we really want to find first is the common states. Right here, in this case, it's on line 16. We're just going to go ahead and add in the data commentator CVS2 commentate file. So Control S. All right, so make sure we put a comma here, space, Control V. All right, we're actually almost done, but we just have to find the FX module now, which is luckily right here at line 20. Same thing, we're just going to put a comma, and then the line we want to do is, again, what we're just telling it to do is find its location, so it's a file system issue. And then I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste it here. You can find it in. So data commentator CVS2 commentator CVS2.def. So now for these special effects, we have these fun little things we can do, and we're going to have a commentator. So that's all we really have to do for this. Let's go in and see what that looks like.
A beautiful example in the art of the combination attack.
All right, so we can see that it worked. We've got our first combo in. That commentator is actually speaking. All right, so that commentator will come in as people do combos or whatever else as we fight. That's really it. All right, everybody. Happy gaming.